Welcome to our educational video, question and answer on using OpenOffice Writer. This lesson is designed for Computer Class 3 students. Let's explore key concepts and questions together. Here's the agenda for today's session. We'll cover multiple choice questions, short answers, keyboard shortcuts, and differences between key features. Let's begin our interactive learning journey. Question: which of the following is an example of a word processing application? A. Pivot Animator. B. Tux Paint. C. MS Paint. D. OpenOffice Writer. The answer is D. OpenOffice Writer. Next question. Identify the selected component of the Writer window. A. Title bar. B. Menu bar. C. Document area. D. Status bar. The correct answer is C. Document area. Question: the minimize, maximize, and close buttons are placed on the top right corner of the screen on the corner. A. Status bar. B. Title bar. C. Scroll bar. D. Menu bar. The correct answer is B. Title bar. Next, you can use the core menu to create a new document in Writer. A. File. B. View. C. Edit. D. Insert. The answer is A. File. Question: while typing in Writer, you press the Gore key to start a new line. A. Backspace. B. Enter. C. Alt. D. Shift. The correct answer is B. Enter. Next, you press the Delete key to delete text to the underscore of the cursor. A. Downwards. B. Left. C. Right. D. Upwards. The answer is C. Right. Question: which of the following combination keys will you use to select text using a keyboard? A. Alt and arrow keys. B. Enter and arrow keys. C. Delete and arrow keys. D. Shift and arrow key. Answer is D. Shift and arrow key. Next, which formatting option in Writer will you use to get the result shown in Figure 2 from Figure 1? A. Font name. B. Font size. C. Font color. D. Font name and font size. The correct answer is D. Font name and font size. Question: Mira will click the underscore key to delete a selected paragraph from their document. A. Backspace. B. Shift. C. Alt. D. Enter. The answer is A. Backspace. Next, Ritika is working in OpenOffice Writer. They want to insert a tickmark character, which is not present on the keyboard. Which icon is used to insert a special character? A. Font. B. Special character. C. Shape. D. Format painter. The correct answer is B. Special character. Question: the Arno Core provides a collection of decorative text that allows you to add attractive 3D titles to your document. A. 3D title. B. Special character. C. Fontwork Gallery. D. Format paintbrush. The correct answer is C. Fontwork Gallery. Next, Virat will use the ORK toolbar to add pictures in their document. A. Draw images. B. Add pictures. C. Drawing. D. Special character. The answer is C. Drawing. Question: we can undergo a picture by dragging its handles. A. Copy. B. Delete. C. Resize. D. Paste. The correct answer is C. Resize. Next, Which of the following symbols can only be inserted using the special character option in OpenOffice Writer? A. At. B. $, $. C. Hashtag, hash. D. Summation. The answer is D. Summation. Let's match the columns. Cut. D. Control X. Italic. A. Control II. Copy. B. Control C. Paste. C. Control V. These are the correct shortcut keys for each function in OpenOffice Writer. Sonia has created a document in Writer. Which option should they use to add the following? An image of a computer, insert, picture. The shape, insert, shape. Special character, insert, special character. What is the use of Fontwork Gallery? Fontwork Gallery is used to add decorative text with various styles and effects to make the document more attractive. How do you add a photo saved on your computer? Go to Insert, Picture, from File, then browse and select the photo you want to add. What is the use of the following option in OpenOffice Writer? B. Bold text formatting. How do you select text in Writer? Click and drag the mouse over the text or use Shift plus arrow keys. Tick the option used to format the text Word Processor as shown below. Word Processor. Answer is bold. B. Word Processor. Answer is Italic. I. Word Processor. Answer is Underline U. What is the keyboard shortcut to select text from left to right? Answer. Shift plus right arrow. Which option in Writer allows you to add decorative text? Answer. Fontwork Gallery. Which option in OpenOffice Writer can be used to change text color from red to green? Answer. Format, Character, Font Effects, Font Color. What is the Fontwork Gallery option in the drawing toolbar used for? Fontwork Gallery provides a collection of decorative text in different colors and shapes for attractive 3D captions or titles. Label the parts of OpenOffice Writer window marked below. Status bar displays information about the document, such as page number, word count, language, and insert mode. Name the option that can be used to perform the following tasks in OpenOffice Writer. Duplicate the selected text. Copy and paste. Shifted the selected. Cut and paste. Reverse the effect of. Undo. Write down the name of the option for an image available in OpenOffice Writer Library, Gallery. A rectangular shape, drawing tool shape. The tick symbol, special character. A 3D heading, Fontwork Gallery. An image saved on your desktop, from File. Here are some useful keyboard shortcuts for OpenOffice Writer. Bold, Control plus B. Italic, Control plus I. Underline, Control plus U. Copy, Control C. Control X. Paste, Control F. Undo, Control plus Z. Control más E. Let's compare duplicate and shifting text. Duplicate text. Make a copy. Original text is not removed. Use copy and paste. Shifting text. Move text to another location. Original text is removed. Use cut and paste. Now, from File versus Gallery. From File. Add images saved on your computer by browsing for them. Gallery. Use ready pictures provided as a library in Writer to enhance your document. How to add a photo saved on your computer. From File option lets you add images from your computer. Steps. A. Click from File from the drawing toolbar. An Insert Picture dialog box appears. B. Locate and select the required picture. C. Click the Open button. D. The selected picture will be inserted into the document. How to add special characters like O and return. Select Insert menu, then Special Character. In the dialog box, select the required character, then click OK. The symbol will be added to your document. Thank you for watching this educational video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful lessons on OpenOffice Writer.